So, ano nga ba yung mga bagay na pwede nating gawin to become healthier version of your 40s? Even if you're already 40s, you can still be a slayable, happy in your own version or in your own simple ways. Paano nga ba? So here are some of those. But before that, by the way, I'm sharing videos like minimalist way of living, personal finance, and intentional living. If you're into that, then you might want to be with me in this journey. So, paano nga ba? So, ito lang naman yung mga bagay. Most of the time, maraming nagtatanong sa akin, paano nga ba nagiging maintain yung itsura mo or yung looks mo in your 40s, like parang hindi ka tumanda. They often give comments like, ang bata mo pa rin tingnan, parang walang nagbago. So, paano at ano nga ba yung mga ginagawa ko? Well, me personally, wala naman talaga akong ginawa. Sakyan mo lang yung agos ng buhay. Like, wag mong pressurein yung sarili mo. I also want to have my own decisions in life na ako yung nagde-decision in a kalmado way. So, isa yarn. Like, kalmahan mo lang. Wag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo para magkaroon ng mga bagay na gusto nila, hindi mo naman gusto. How sure they are that the ones that they wanted is the ones that you want in your life. O paano kung yung happiness nila is hindi naman pala happiness mo, 'di ba? Kung kaya sinasabi ko lagi na wag pressurein yung sarili and always go with the choice of your life na ikaw ang may gusto, hindi choice ng iba. Or napilitan ka lang. Or maybe we should consider their thoughts or opinions, we can, pero hindi naman siguro necessarily na lahat ng sinasabi nila is susundan natin or sundin natin. Kung kaya naman, that's one of my tip. Kung kaya ganito pa rin akit, char. So, I'm running 42 this coming May, pero ganito tayo. So, yun lang, kalmahan ng buhay, huwag ma-pressure sa kung kahit anumang china-challenge ka ng faligid mo or mga kamag-anak mo, friends mo, mga kakilala mo, or kahit na sino na challenge sa'yo. Yes, you can do some of their advices. So, dapat ikaw pa rin ang masusunod. Kasi dun ka sasaya eh. Kung anong makakapagpasaya sa'yo, then dun ka. Isa yorn. Then number 2 is, pag nakikita ko na medyo nag-gain ako ng weight, nagpepreno din ako. Not to the extent na grabe yung pagda-diet. Nope, kasi hindi ko nililimit yung self ko ng bonggang-bongga. Yes, there are restrictions a bit lang, ha? Hindi yung basta lahat kalma. Ganun yung pinaka secret. And then third is, huwag laging magagalitin. Pinagdaanan ko rin yung laging lahat pinapatulan ko. Like lahat ng issues, lahat ng sinasabi o binabato sa akin ko, pinapatulan ko yarn. But nowadays, no, not anymore. Pinipili ko na lang yung papatulan ko. And if papatulan ko man siya, dapat in a nice way. So yeah, this has been Chet. Thank you so much for listening. So kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong klaseng videos, then you might as well want to be with me by following me in this channel.